Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EE8451 Linear Integrated Circuits and Applications. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic Unit 3 Applications of Operational Amplifier. First order low pass filter Butterworth filter. The first order low pass filter that uses an RC for filtering operation amplifier is used in the non-inverting configurations. The resistor R1 and the feedback resistance determined the gain of the filter according to the voltage divider rule. The voltage at the non-inverting terminal across the capacitance C. So here the characteristics and also the circuit diagram. The operational amplifier, the inverting and the non-inverting. The non-inverting stage of operational amplifier, the supply voltage is input supply voltage is applied to the resistance of 20 kilo ohm, and also the V input voltage is dropped to the capacitance 0.01 microfarad. So here the inverting stage is a combination of R1 and the feedback resistance to fed to the output of the voltage. So it can be connected to the load resistance 10 kilo ohm. Here the graphical output waveform. So the frequency V was the voltage gain. It can be a 20 dB or degrade. So the gain of the forward voltage gain and then reverse frequency. So it can be also is a negative of 20 dB degrades. Now we can see the second order low pass Butterworth filter. The second order low pass filter having the gain of 40 dB and decade with its stop band. A first order low pass filter can be converted into a second order type, simplify by using the additional RC network. The gain of the two order filter, second order filter, is set by resistance R1 and feedback resistance, while the high cutoff frequency, that is a cutoff frequency, is determined by the R2 resistance and capacitance C2, R3 and C3. Now we can see the second order low pass Butterworth filter. It can be the input voltage is fed to the R1. So the node of the VA is a first node of the R1 and VI, and then the graphical representation are same as the low pass first order low pass filter Butterworth filter. Now the operational amplifier is connected through the feedback through the inverting and non-inverting through the to the 20 kilo ohm is at 15.8 kilo ohm. Here the output of the load resistance is at 10 kilo ohm. It is the output voltage is fed to the inverting and non-inverting terminal. So this is a second order low pass filter Butterworth filter model. In these circuits, all components and circuit parameters are expressed in the S domain, where S equal to 1 or S equal to J. Writing the Kirchhoff's current law at node A VA. So the input current I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. So here the input current is, and it is solving the voltage V1, we get the denominator quadratic in gain. In the equation must be have real and equal root. So this means the filter design, choose a value of higher cutoff frequency to simplify the design calculations, to set R2 equal to R3 equal to R. Now the C2 equal to C3 equal to C, then the choosing the value of the C less than equal to 1 microfarad. Finally, because of the equal resistance R2 is equal to R3 and the capacitor C2 is equal to C3 values, the pass band voltage gain AF is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1 of the capacitor the second order had to be 1.586 into the feedback resistance equal to 0.586 R1. Here the choose the value of the R1 is less than the 100 kilo ohm, and then calculate the value of feedback resistance. Now we can move to the first order high pass Butterworth filter. The high pass filter are often formed simply by interchanging the frequency, determining the resistance and capacitance in low pass filter. Therefore, the first order high pass filter is formed from an first order low pass filter by interchanging the components of resistance and capacitance. Similarly, the second order high pass filter is formed for a second order low pass filter for interchanging the resistance and capacitance. Now the amplifier circuit is connected to the same structure of the parallel resistance and also the uh, load resistance and also the input inverting stage non-inverting stage of the input terminal. So we can see the graphical representation of output graph is equal to frequency v was the voltage gain. It can be the skew point is active in the minus 20 dB grade. Now the value of the feedback amplifier gain is equal to 0.707 volt. Here now we can move to the second order high pass Butterworth filter. So in order to filter, the high pass filter can be formed from second order low pass filter by interchanging the information of frequency, determine the resistance and capacitance. We can see the second order high pass filter Butterworth filter method. In this method, the operational amplifier is connected feedback through the load resistance is interchanged the 10 kilo ohm and the feedback is fed to the operational amplifier output of B out in the input of the R1 and R2. So now the graphical representation of the voltage and the frequency. So the voltage gain is measured the minus 40 dB degrade in the quiescent point. So this is a second order high pass Butterworth filter. Now once again I can repeat the topic of first order low pass filter Butterworth filter. The first order low pass filter, that is using the RF RC for filtering upon the operational amplifier is used to non-inverting configurations. The resistance R1 and RF determine the gain of the filter according to the voltage divider rule. The voltage at the non-inverting terminal, that is across the capacitance of CS. Then the second order low pass Butterworth filter, it having the 40 dB decade in the stop band processing. So the first order low pass filter can covered into a second order type simply by using the additional RC circuit network. So the gain of the second order filter is set by R1 and RF, while the high cutoff frequency RF is determined by R2, C2, R3 and C3. Here the equivalent circuit models and also the waveform representation and the circuit diagram representation of the second order low pass Butterworth filter. Now we can move the circuit diagram of the second order low pass filter. The circuit parameter can be expressed in terms of S domain. So here the S equal to J, we are writing the Kirchhoff's current law at node VA. So the I1 plus I2 equal to I3 and we get the denominator of quadratic in the gain of output voltage divided by input voltage. So these equations must be have to real and equal root. This means the filter design, first we can choose the value of high cutoff frequency, and to simplify the design calculations, set of a R2 minus equal to R3 equal to R and C3 equal to C, then the choose the value of the C less than or equal to 1 microfarad. Finally, it is a basic of the equal resistor and the capacitance value. The pass band voltage gain RF equal to 1 plus RF divided by 1 of the second order has to be 1.586, that is a feedback resistance equal to 0.586 R1. Here, hence choose the value of the R1 and the calculate the value of the feedback resistance is a possibility. Now the first order high pass Butterworth filter, it is interchanging the frequency, that is it determine the resistor and capacitors in the low pass filter. In order to the first order high pass filter is formed on the first order low pass filter by interchanging the connections, that is simplify. Similarly, the second order low pass or high pass is formed from the second order low pass by interchanging the R and C. So we here the circuit look like the first order high pass filter Butterworth filter. The output of the V naught is coincided to the to connected the resistance of R1 and R2 and then the feedback resistance RF. Now their graphical representations, it can be controlled, the value of the voltage at the frequency or voltage is a minus 20 dB degrees. So in this lecture we are completely discuss the first order high pass filter Butterworth filter, and then now we can discuss the second order high pass Butterworth filter. The first order filter and the second order high pass filter can be formed by a second order low pass filter by interchanging the frequency and determine the resistance and capacitance value. It can be gather the first order and low pass and second order high pass filter. Thank you for watching this video.